So here a 5 centimeter circle is drawn, a radius is drawn. Okay, with that radius, what is the angle between the radii? 120 degree. Just make it out 120 degree angle. Okay, so draw one more line. Now we have to draw the tangents at both the points. It is a P point and it is a Q point. From these points you have to draw the tangents. What is the procedure, children? Take one 2 centimeter measurement. Okay, just 2 centimeter measurement you take down. At point P, draw one semicircle. Okay, with the same measure, cut 2 arcs on that semicircle. From each cut, draw again 2 arcs. Where both will be intersecting, that point you have to join from P. Okay. So we got the tangent at point P. Now the same procedure will be followed at Q. So with Q as the center, draw a semicircle where it is cutting radius from that one arc. Again from that arc to one more arc like this. Cut here. Okay. So where they will be cutting from that point, draw the tangent. So extend the tangent so that both should join each other. So and measure the angle here, it should be 60 degree, children. So the measure of this angle should be 60 degree. Okay. So this is the way you have to construct the tangent to a circle at given point. Okay. Now what are the steps we have followed? Let us recall. Draw a circle with a given radius. What is the radius there? 5 centimeter. Okay. Draw one radius. With radius as a center, make 120 degree angle. Okay. Then we will get Q point. Join that point. With P as a center, with 2 centimeter measurement, draw a semicircle. 2 arcs you have to cut on that. From each arc, again you have to cut the arcs. You will be getting a tangent to this point. The same way, what the procedure you have followed here, same, one semicircle with 2 centimeter measurement. From this point, one cut. Again from this point, one more cut. And from this point up one cut, and from this point cutting the previous. Where both will be intersecting, there you should join the tangents. And make sure you are getting a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So this is one more. One type of tangent construction to a circle. Now we will having a tangents from an external point also. So what are the steps you have to follow for that? For that you have to draw a circle with the center O with a given radius. Whatever the radius they have given, with that you should. Next, draw a radius and extend it to P. So because P will be the external point with the, okay, up to there you have to extend your line. So bisect OP line and mark the midpoint. What the, see here, it is a circle you are drawing, it is O, it will be P. For this line, one perpendicular you are drawing, you will be getting a midpoint. This midpoint you have to keep as a center, and M you should call. With OM as a radius and M as a center, you have to draw one more circle. Okay. Where the circle, new circle and the previous circles meets, that point you should join for P. So, they are the required tangents, this and this. Okay. By taking one example, let us discuss that, children. Here is a problem. So, the problem is, draw a circle of radius 6 cm. From a point 10 cm away from its center, construct a pair of tangents to a circle and measure the lengths. So, first step is taking 6 cm measure. Okay. Now, draw one circle there. From a point 10 cm away from its center. From the center, what is the distance? 10 cm. Mark one point. Okay. So join it. So this is your external point. Call it as a P. Now what is the next step, children? For OP line, you have to draw the perpendicular. Take more than half of this line. Okay. Draw one cut up. Draw one cut down from point O. In the same way, from point P also we cut it off to cut the previous ones. Now you will be getting a midpoint for an line. Draw a dotted line. So this point is M. Now with OM as a radius and M as a center, draw one more circle. Okay, now check it out. This new circle and previous circles are meeting at one point. Call that points as a Q and R. Now join PQ and PR. What you have to do? You have to join PQ line as well as PR line. Now these are the required tangents. Measure the length they are saying. Just measure it out how much it will be from this point to this point. So it is 8 cm, children. Write down the measure. So PQ is equal to PR is equal to 8 cm. Okay. This is the way of constructing a tangent from external point. Tangent to a circle from an external point. Now what are the procedures we have followed? First, we have drawn a circle with a given measure. And the second step, we have marked a point P with a given distance from the center. We have drawn the line. Now for this line, perpendicular is drawn by taking more than half of the line. We go to midpoint and that is called as an M. With MO as a radius and M as a center, one more circle we have drawn. Where this circle is touching the previous circle, that points you have to mark and call them as an Q and R. Now joining PQ and PR, these PQ and PR are the tangents. Okay, children, this is the way of constructing a tangent from an external. Now the few more problems we will discuss later.